Asante sana. Thank you very much. Thank you very important ladies and gents. Definitely. Speaking in terms of the EPL, EPL is going to it's an end time. Yani ni games za mwisho mwisho hapa na pale. Tulishakubali in the EPL we really agreed that Liverpool took the cup a long time ago. They had a good season. The new coach also had a new season. It is unimaginable that aliweza kuja hapa EPL and did that commendable job. Go following the Arsenal, Arsenal they know to lead from the mwanzo, but when it reaches hapo mwisho mwisho, things goes mad here and there. Going to Manchester City wameporomoka kabisa. I think the squad need reshuffling here and there, as you have seen. KDB amesema anaenda pale, that is good. Kupatia wengine, I can see they want Florian means they want Reinders there. That is good. Going on Chelsea. Chelsea, they have not had a bad season nor either a good season, because considering Chelsea walianza build from nowhere, and the coach alikuwa mpya, and we expect to get things from Chelsea the Blues. Manchester United mambo imeporomoka kabisa, mambo imeanguka chini kabisa. I don't know if is it the players, is it the coach, is it the management, is it what, I don't know. But let us expect that wakichukua Europa League ambayo wanaenda kucheza na Tote, things will be nice and easy. And also speaking on the other side about hii team inaitwaje, Tottenham. They have had a terrible season. They have the right players, but I don't know. The players wanacheza ni kama nini, because the other time the coaches said that they played the women team, but at the end of the day, the women team beat them 1-0. He had to chase them away from the training field. But I don't know, wakati mwingine about football the form inakataa namna hivyo. We wanna talk about Nottingham Forest. First of all, we wanna say sorry to and stand with Atayo Awoninyi, because he had a fatal injury hapo kwa goal post. Pole sana. Nottingham Forest have had a very 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 fruitful season. It has never been that for more years. I think the head of Nottingham Forest akona roho safi kwa sporti, that is it. Let us them keep going, let us them keep pushing, but next season I know things are going to be tough here and there. On behalf of Leicester City, those relegated teams, it has been tough to them. Imekuwa tough sana, imekuwa moto, yani Southampton imekuwa moto. Which other team imekuwa relegated? I think I'm forgetting the name, but nitaikumbuka tu, but things have been messy. Wameokolea Manchester United because na Tottenham, because if they had an extra game there and here, things gonna be tough. Thank you very much, ladies and gents. We wanna be in the sports cover here and there.